Imagine writing the same code line 100 times. Painful, right? Loops and Python save us from that by repeating tasks automatically. Hi, I'm Williams. In this lesson, we'll learn for loops and while loops. For loop for I in range 5, print hello Python. And while loops. Well, loop.count equals to 1, while count less than equals to 5. Print count, count, plus equals 1. Explanation: when I becomes 3, if I equals 3, condition is met and continue is executed. This causes the program to skip the print I statement for I equals 3 and move directly to the next iteration of the loop where I becomes 4. And then break when I becomes 5, the if I equals to 5 condition is met and break is executed. This causes the loop to terminate entirely, and no further iterations, including printing 5, are performed. Challenge: write a loop that prints all even numbers between 1 and 20. Awesome work. You now know loops in Python. In the next lessons, we'll explore lists, functions, and more to make your code even more powerful.